Good morning, children. I am Yashudipta ma'am. You are learning the new topic in GK, Sea World, on page 8. In the last class, you did the classwork in the book. You have written the names of the sea animals in the book. Today, you will write in your classwork copy some word meanings. So be ready with your classwork copy. Let us start. Write here CW and today's date. Write page 10, Sea World. Write word meanings. Number 1. Inedible. 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 That means not suitable for eating. Not suitable. 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 Suitable for eating. 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 Inedible. The meaning of inedible is not suitable for eating. Next. Heed. 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 To pay attention. To pay. 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 Attention. 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 Heed means to pay attention. Number 3. Filter. 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 What is the meaning of filter? To remove. To remove unwanted things. To remove. REMOVE. Remove unwanted. UNWANTED. Unwanted things. 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 To remove unwanted things. Number 4. Survive. 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 What is the meaning? To continue. To live. To continue. 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 To live. 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 Survive means to continue, to live. Number 5. Marine. 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 Connected with sea. CONNEC. Connect. TED. Connected. CONNEC. TED. Connected with sea. SEAC. So what is the meaning of marine? Connected with sea. Children, are you writing? So from the beginning, check. Number 1. Inedible. That means not suitable for eating. Not suitable for eating. Number 2. Heed. To pay attention. To pay attention. Number 3. Filter. Number 3. Filter. To remove unwanted things. To remove unwanted things. Number 4. Survive. What is the meaning of survive? To continue, to live, to continue, to live. Number 5, marine. Connected with sea, connected with sea. Now write number 6. Invertebrate. 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 What is the meaning? Without a backbone. Without. WITH. With OUT out. Without a backbone. BACK. Back. BONE. Bone. Backbone. So what is the meaning of invertebrate? Without a backbone. Number 7. Colonies. 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 Living. 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 TOGETHER. Together. In groups. Living together. In groups. 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 So what is the meaning of colonies? Living together in groups. Number 8. ALGAE. 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 A seaweed. SEACWEED. Weed. A seaweed. What is the meaning of algae? A seaweed. So children, check from number 6. Invertebrate. Without a backbone. The meaning of invertebrate is without a backbone. Number 7. Colonies. What is the meaning of colonies? Living together in groups. Living together in groups. Number 8. Algae. What is the meaning? A seaweed. A seaweed. So these 8 word meanings today you wrote in your classwork copy as a classwork from SeaWorld. This you will learn. All the spellings you will learn very well. And the word meanings you will learn very well. And page number 10 and 11 from the book, you will learn very well these 2 pages. As the classwork is done in the book, you will learn it very well. And in the classwork copy today we did 8 word meanings. So let us revise from the beginning. Word meanings, page 10, SeaWorld. Number 1, inedible, not suitable for eating. Number 2, heed, to pay attention. Number 3, filter, to remove unwanted things. Number 4, survive, to continue to live. Number 5, marine, connected with sea. Got the answers? Now number 6. Invertebrate. Without a backbone. Colonies living together in groups. Number 8. Algae. A seaweed. So children, till this today. Bye bye.